right, we welcome you again to another episode of Mindful Fox podcast. Today sise Blomanat eDavidton. Sihleli na Mr. Thabo Nxumalo lo yi-founder Ubuntu Movement NPC. NPC umele non-profit company. Sitawucela Mr. Thabo lana as-introduce ukuthi ngabe Mr. Thabo ungubani?
Sanibonani, ngiyanibingelela nonke. Igama lami nguThabo John Nxumalo, originally from Bushbuckridge, but recently nginomuzi eDavidton, so yeah, eBlomanati.
So Mr. Thabo, ngabe ungasicocela kancane ukuthi ngabe Ubuntu Movement NPC yini and kusebenza kwendani bu-based ngani nje kahle kahle?
Oh, yeah. Ubuntu Movement NPC ngathi kahle yimi. When we talk about Ubuntu Movement ukhuluma ngami.
Yes.
Understand? The reason ngithi yimi ukuthi lento ngiyenza ku-Ubuntu Movement ngayifunda bayenza kimi ngisakhula because mina ngalahlekela abazali ngisasemncane yabo.
Yes.
So ukukhula kwami akuzange kube kuhle kakhulu yabo. So yeah, so but into ngayithanda ukuthi ngiforced ukuya esikolweni kakhulu yabo. Yeah, ngithanda isikolo kunzima ngidonsa kanzima ngecareer number 1 from emakhaya sengiceda imatric ngabona ukuthi hayi ngizogcina ngilusa inkomo la ekhaya yabona.
Yes.
Ngagijima ngaye eJoburg ngasicalela kahle ka-A. Uqala kwami akuzange kube kanzima, qale kancane ya mangifike ngithola amatoho aphele maphela amatoho khumbula kahle bese ngilala nase khona i-super spy yaseMalvern ngaphandle yabona. Yeah, so yeah, lala ngaphandle ngincede abantu engingabazi.
Yes.
Most of the time abantu engibaziyo like bebana lento lokuthi wangobuyela ekhaya wena uzosihluphekisa eGoli yabona into ezinjalo. So some of the people laba abanenhliziyo bebanokungithatha sengihlala nabanye abantu. Mina ngakutshela ukuthi ngihlalile hostel, you won't believe. eDenver hostel ngihlalile ngithatha amaZulu. Ngohlala eDenver hostel ngihlala nomunye ubaba bathi uNtshangasi umgazi.
Yeah, shout out to Baba Mkazi, shout out to Ntshangasi.
Yeah, so yeah, ngahlala lapha uzofunga ukuthi hayi plus isibongo sami ngokwaNxumalo. Bebangibiza uzwide yabona nethakazelo bengazi understand zami ngisifunde kakhulu ehostel my brother yabona. So khula kwami ngikhule kanjalo, that's why ngithi into angiyenza ukuthi kube nobuntu movement namuhla ile mpilo lebe ngiyiphila before kusho ukuthi angifuni ukuyibona yenzeka komunye umuntu.
Yes. So usibrife kancane nje why ubuntu ukuthi ungaphika legama lelithi ubuntu.
Yeah,
Ubuntu Movement.
They did Ubuntu for mina, like umuntu ngabantu.
Yes, I am because you are.
Yeah, I am because we are. You understand? So mina Ubuntu sengibuthatha ngibuyisele emuntwini because nami bathatha Ubuntu babuletha kimi. Why not mina ngibuthatha ngibuyisele back komunye umuntu? So le gama le Ubuntu Movement I end up like libe khona before ngile researcher.
Oh.
Yeah, so mangile researcher, it's got a lot of meaning. Understand? Like yihlanganisa like everyone ukuthi you can live with me, I can live with this one, and he can live with the other one.
Yes,
understand?
yes,
So yeah, that is why nokuloko yami uzobona kunabantu abaningi yabona, like kunalola mara sikhithima sibe umuntu oyi-1 ekugcineni.
Yes. So uchazile ukuthi ubuntu bavuka ngokuthi kunebantu labendabuntu kuwe, so you can be the someone you are namuhla. So ngabe la kukhona i-positive impact lo sayibonile la emphakathini nje kulomsebenzi lo wendako and ikanjani?
Yeah, my brother, honestly speaking, impact ikhona kulabo aba-understandayo. Understand? So some of the people they believe what you are doing when they benefit.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
If they don't benefit nothing, that they can't even believe in you. You understand?
Can't even recognize
you. Most especially, mina mangqala Ubuntu Movement. I was going door to door or ngicela abantu ngicela impahla. people they ask me impahla zalo ngifuna ukupha abantu hayibo wena ufuna impahla kwa wena ufuna ukuthatha impahla zethu upha abantu kanjani because you are the one who need a cloth. Now you don't understand me. Ngabe ngibuza ukuthi why ngipha abantu.
Yeah.
Ngipha abantu laba abaphansi kule standard ngikuso ukuthi balingane nami. I'm not better. Angithi nginazo. Lezi nginazo ze right for me. But lezi ngisifunayo ngisifunela laba abanganazo ukuthi baze balingane nami, not na someone else. Ngifuna balingane nami ukuthi angifuni umuntu osogola ungidlula mina. That is why whatever I have I do share.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
So people, they recognize you when they benefit something. If they don't benefit, even now, for example, bengenza any program yabanye abantu abama disabilities. I went to someone ngithi ngicela donation ngifuna ukunceda abantu bama disabilities what. Athi hey, mina ungazi ungizele nomsangano la kwami while uhlala nomuntu o disabled endlini.
Oh.
You understand?
Kumele ahlale phi umuntu o-disabled?
So ngithi mina no ngize ngithi uhlala naye kusho ukuthi bekumele understand lento engiyikhulumayo. You understand?
Yes.
Kusho ukuthi uyaba rejecta yena self mara ngi-understand ukuthi hayi ukuthi uyaba rejecta because kuze mina and ungifunde la wabona waqeda. After sebabona ukuthi ngiyenzeni somewhere bengisekahle kuma disabilities ngithi impahla nokudla babona the way bangirecommenda ngakhona. Hayi mara thina usasitshele mara ngaqala lapha. Hayi mina bengicabanga na mama. Asiyeke next time ngizobuya like angiphela umoya.
Yes. Sicela unike i-shout out kulaba labanye laba positive laba kusitako ke kulamanye ama companies nawo ma bekhona ama companies la kusitana nawo ungawabita ngamagama lapha usho ukuthi sibani nasibani because laba in fact kulama companies because ama individuals I guess maningi la kusitile but lama companies kwalo ungawa recognize by names ungawabita wona.
Yeah, number one ngirelaya kakhulu mina kubantu abaningi abangangazi mina nginceda abantu angingabazi laba ngaziyo most especially ngihlala khona kule area yami it's only few those they help me. Ngifuna ukuthi ngiyabonga ku ama followers wami ku Facebook fonina yini nje number 1 ngithi dankisana ngiyanibonga kakhulu without nina I don't think ukuthi namuhla bengizoba ngihlale no Bhudiza la. Ngiyabonga Nkunas Taveli whatever I'm doing is always there this guy. Uthi uyabheka eze ngikhuluma kanje nawo umuntu aba negative abantu ngaye unalento le nginayo. You understand? As much as they negative to me mina lento le inalo muntu ongincedayo. You understand? So because aba benefit kuye naye lo nkuna lo akafuneki mara when it comes to community wa participate ngithi ngiyabonga babamkuna angiyabonga kakhulu. RSM it's a ngathini it's a service provider ama toilet la ekuhlaleni. This guy bambiza ubani Mabitsela. Anything that I'm doing like before ngimazi personally banginceda singazani angenza ama e-wallet ngikhona ukwenza into engizenzayo. RSM construction angiyabonga bhuti wami. Ngingakhohlwa Davidton Mall it's a local mall lesiya kuyo la ekhaya. Mangiya kubo nabo like abangireject yabona nakubo ngithi ash Davidton Mall ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngeke ngize ngikhohle this company Ekurhuleni News isebenza ngabantu abaningi but they make sure ukuthi ngiba recognized kubantu laba ngingabazi. They introduced me emajuteni bese ngingasanikani ngama food parcel and everything. But they end up ukuthi banike nami, you understand? Because babone lento ngiyenzayo and nabo babayenza ukuthi babe aware ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo lento ayifuna akafani nalabantu la nithi bayenza 1 2 3 4 5. Ngithi hayi Ekurhuleni News lemajuteni ngiyanibonga. DR2 funeral parlor. DR2 funeral service actually. Omunye umama wakamnisi owner this funeral service. Ngikhumbula bekunomntwana una 18 years washonela umntwana stillborn. So lo mntwana wahlala 7 days Far East without any help bazamile yabona. But they end up contacting me yabona. Mabangicontacta sengibabuza ukuthi bangaze lapha through Facebook yabona. So one thing I like ukuthi mangiya ku DR2 funeral service bakhonile ukuthi bangiphe ihash, bangiphe ukudla, bangipha iservice yabo as it is, angathi bengibhadala. We bury the young one with the dignity, my brother. Like that one is something that I will never forget in my life. Understand? Because one thing for sure, when it comes to umuntu angifuni lutho. So na DR2 funeral service ngiyakubonga kakhulu. Ngakhohlwa khona lo baba lo bathi uJohn Pheko. John Pheko film production is a producer. Naye ngiyambonga kakhulu because uyakwazi nanoma ngahlalanga like ngimazi kwesikhashana yana nje yabona, but manje sewunalento lokuthi unokungibiza like ngizosebenza naye ukuthi ngenze i-fundraising through yena. Understand? Naye ngiyambonga kakhulu ukuthi I believe kimi. Ngibonga everyone who's wishing to help Ubuntu movement ukuthi incede abanye abantu, most especially those they need us mostly. Ngiyababonga laba basacabanga ukuyinceda, ningadawudi, do it. Nalabantu bangimotivateayo every day, ngiyababonga kakhulu my brother.
Man. So ngabe kukhona yini lesingakugatha maybe ku Ubuntu movement ukuthi kusetakwendayo maybe utawuya ku community thite kulamalanga uyobasita or kwenteka kanjani?
Kukhona my brother. As umsebenzi bathi umsebenzi wasikhulumela, yabona. Lento ngiyenzayo yenze some ama organization amanye makhona ukuthi bangicela ukuthi ngibancedise ukuthi bayenze something. Bona kudala bakhona ku field but they wish ukuthi bangabiza mina, yabona, because they babona the way ngi-active ngakhona. So nami I'm willing ukuthi ngibe nabo futhi, yabona. Nge-17 zaka July sizoba senza iMandela Day, yabona. Masenza iMandela Day, Ubuntu movement izoba ilapha, as much as ngithi ngiphila ngabantu kuma social media nalama company ngiwabizayo nalawa basazovela. So sicela kakhulu sizoba sinikela ini ama blankets, ama socks, igcoko ngoba kuyabanda.
For a winter.
For a winter. So siphinde sibayenzele like nesopo, whatever that we can cook, because ngikhohle ukubiza
shout out.
Shout out ku Simunya se Davidton Boxer, ngiyabonga. I-17 July ngizoba le eyami le izoba ihosta yimi i-Heritage Day. So i-Heritage Day le ngizoba ngihostela khona la eBloemanathi, because mina I'm one person ukuthi bathi charity begins at home. Most of the things that ngizenza la ngihlala khona. The reason ngizenza la ngihlala khona, nabanye la bahlala khona bakhona into bazenzayo. You understand? So mina ngikhetha ukuthi kusemkhukhwini kukuphi, if people they like what I'm doing, they like where we'll be. You understand? So angiyathi indawo ngiziba ngila eBloemanathi nge-24 zaka September. Kuzoba kunabantu laba babuya bothembisa Kagiso neFosloras lemkhumbi le3 laba bagida lesintu sasempumalanga bayibiza ukuthi umchongolo.
Bagida umchongolo.
Sesizoba zikhala kakhulu. I know I trust it. I trust these people. Gauteng umchongolo. I trust them because once they bafika vele hayi Bloemanathi izoba incane, Davidton izoba incane kakhulu. So on December, I'm not quite sure dating sazoyibeka, ngizoba ngenza Christmas what? Christmas Day.
Party, Christmas.
For a community ngizoba ngiyenza ne-tournament, because last time bengenze ne-tournament ngenzele i-youth la ekhaya, ngabathengela ijezi, bathola imali, bathola ama-cards namabhola.
Yes. Mr. Nxumalo, cela usithathe usitshela ukuthi ngabe Ubuntu movement NPC butholakala kuphi, maybe ma social media platforms maybe mangabe kuthiwa unalo office or kwelikurusi lesikuthola khona maybe mase Bloemanathi.
Okay, kwamanje Ubuntu movement ngitholile indawo ngathini ikhansela yami isinikile nomunye usisi bathi uBridget, they gave me indawo ukuthi ngiye khona, bengisasebhizi ngisalungisa because ngeke ngifake umkhukhu, yabona. So kumele ngizenzele i-structure esi-right because lapha ngifuna i-office, ngifuna i-store room because most of the time ngisebenza ngempahla nokudla, yabona. So angeke ngithi i-company ngilethele ukudla ngilethele lapha because ngizozibeka apha. That's why mangithola izinto ngivele ngizihambise same time. So indawo ngihlala ngizotholakala la duzana kaNkuna Staveli la e-Main Road yase khona Vivian Drive and Monkey.
Yes.
Manje ngitholakala la kule workshop ye-Ubuntu Movement Internet Cafe and cell phone repair. Le ila ngenza khona i-fundraising. Because ungayi kumuntu yokucela sakubuza ukuthi wena unani. You understand? Mabathi mina nginani ngikhipha lento le ngifundraisayo lana ngikhipha yona. So umuntu uba motivated. Uyagqwalisela ungafuni abantu baqala. That is why Ubuntu Movement angizange kuyikha phezulu. Ngifuna ukuyicala fresh. Ngikhuphuka nayo. That's why mangiza kumuntu ngiza ngiphethe something. Ngicela ungincede. Nge-17 zaka July sizoba Mandela Day. But it has phethe kanje but we wish ukuthi kungaba 1 2 3 4 5. So abantu abaningi bangithola la ku Ubuntu Movement Internet Cafe and Cell Phone Repair la kuyi-internet cafe plus ngilungisa namafoni uyabona. So leyo mali leyo lengcosa lengitholayo nginama beneficiary wami lawa nabo they don't rely to me, they rely to God.
Yes.
But mabafuna something bayakwazi ukuthi bona basukumele beze kimi basho nami mangiphethe something ngihlanganise kahle ngiyakhona ukuthenga lezo zinto lezi ezincane ngisikhona ngisi-affordayo ngaleso sikhathi ngibanikeze. Yeah, so mabangifuna bangangithola ku number yobuntu movement 067 606 4848.
Alright, inamba itawuvela ngaphasi escreenini ndayikhopha khona.
Or else banga-emaila ubuntumovement3@gmail.com.
Amen. Inombolo na email itawuvela ngaphasi kwescreen ndakuthatha khona, so ni contact Ubuntu
Facebook yami Ubuntu Movement. Bangaklika Ubuntu Movement bazozibonela an African woman. That African woman it means a lot to me. Ngaye lo mama lo yabona. Because ngaphandle kwamama bengekho ngibe khona. That is why bathi umuntu uthando lwamama libalekile yabona. Mina la shesha la ngibalekela. That is why ngi choose an African woman yabona. African woman kusho ukuthi abomama uthando lebasinika lona abasinike njengoba linjalo bangakhethi yabona ukuthi lo akusiwo wami lo yabona. So lo mama lo mina nginaye la akakhethi ihlangothi akana ndaba ukuthi uye Zimbabwe uye Maputo uya Bushbuckridge Swaziland. As long as you need the help, you get it kulo mama lo umbona lapha ku-Ubuntu Movement NPC. TikTok Ubuntu Movement 3 nayo, or else ungangena ku Dankisan 80 iposte into zobuntu movement kuphela nayo.
Alright, so kunalamanye ama-companies lebe wasesengakucala ukukusita. Nayi chance ukuthi uwacela ukuthi akusite ama-companies nalabanye ama-individuals angakusita.
Yeah, athi ngihlale kahle. Le idinga bona straight le.
And ubatshela ukuthi why
ngifuna ubatshela namuhla.
Batshela.
Wazi kubhlungu ukuthi ubona abantu aba-successfully they fail to help those they need mostly. You understand? It's painful. Uzibuze ukuthi lo muntu malala ubuthongo obulala kamnandi na. Azi ukuthi kuna someone olala angadlanga. So that's where we enter as ama NPC or ama organization, because thina sihlala ne community. Yithi sibabonayo labo bantu. Masingene ema-ofisini wenu sicela that attitude le basinika yona, especially usangena reception qala yabona. Iqala lapha reception attitude yabona. Umuntu mawuthi ngicela ukubona iboss uyenzile appointment. Yes, I didn't make an appointment because angimazi ngithi yabona. How can I make an appointment with a person I don't know? Yabona. Give me the information, how to contact him, how to get him, procedure kuphela yabona. Okay, sindlule lapho sebakunikile lento abakunika yona, sofika kuye qala sawubona mawungathi uyacela aqala ukubuza ukuthi my company is gonna benefit something. You understand? Ithi ngitshele Master, yes, it's gonna benefit because mina always I do recommend ilento company engicedayo. You understand? The more we recommend you is the more they see ukuthi you are existing. Some of the people when ungacanga ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakwazi kanti akusiwo wonke umuntu akwaziyo. uwaziwa yilabo abantu labo ufuna bakwazi kanti thina mase sokuveza abantu hawu kanti le company le iseBinoni you understand so baqala ukubona ukuthi okay iseBinoni siphi chance and if ever ukhalela into osinika yona kuna i-tax return understand if you need our angithi is registered we will give you everything that you need ama-tax numbers and everything uhambe uyoclaim bazokwehlisela kancane i-tax yakho understand so bengicela man ngicela everyone man who's affording angeke ngithi o-successful who's affording to help most especially abantu abaswele ngoba abantu abahluphekile asinabo abantu abaswele kwaleso sikhashana ngoba bayazi ukuthi le ijazi leli uyagcoka makubanda makushisa uyalikhumula logcoka umunye umuntu futhi understand so situation mase ifikile kuba asibancedeni singababheki kanje you understand so bengicela ukuthi like basincede ezama angeke ngikhulumela ubuntu movement kakhulu ezama organization are trusted because most of our organization ayasimoshela my brother. The reason ngithi ayasimoshela bangena for example bangangena eSimunye bathi kushoniwe kaMkhize iSimunye ikhipha ama-braai pack ikhipha inyama yenkomo ikhipha impuphu you understand bathi hambani niyopheka before ifika kaNkuni le kushoniwe khona imoto iqala kwakhe and abantu babhekile mawuyehlisa you understand mase kuyiwa leyo thola ukuthi sewuyisa ama-plastic ayi-2 eli-1 or sometimes andisi nokuyisa yabona so thina mase sifika thina abantu aba-honest but nina seba-includa nathi so besicela ukuthi nabo if ever they don't trust us ababheke i-profile yomuntu ukuthi lo muntu lo u-active na uyayenza lento le umuntu active awuthi uma ungena kuma-social media wakhe into yokuqala ngeke uthole aposte iy'thombe zakhe uposta umsebenzi asebenza ngawo ithombe zakhe ngizophosta ngoba njengoba ngihlale nawo kanjena ngizosiposta isithombe sami babona ukuthi hayi ubuntu movement iyakhula la uba nami bengacabanga ukuthi namhlanje ngahlala la ku-podcast yakho my brother bengingakwazi lokho but by God's grace namuhla ngila you understand so yeah ababheka ama-profile wethu babheka ukuthi lo muntu lo u-active the more babheka lapho the more sincedeni siyacela sincedeni asibaphakamiseni abaphansi balingane nathi noma bangafikanga kuwa bafike kimi ku-right
alright hayi sekungaba ekugcina ekutibongela mhlambe nekuvalelisa kuma-viewers
ya ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga ababukeli ngibonga nonke unehliziyo enhle nalo ofuna ukuba nehliziyo enhle nalo osacabanga ukuba nehliziyo enhle ngiyanibonga kakhulu more especially when it comes to ubuntu movement specific lento ningenzela yona is too big because ngicale kabuhlungu yeah because into vele ucale kabuhlungu uzoyinakekela i-right ngicale kabuhlungu ngoba bengikhala vele more especially ma-reject abantu abayiboni mara into engifuna ukuyenza labantu labo uyabona una something man uyayifuna lento le my brother yabona yeah so ngiyabonga wonke umuntu ongisupportayo ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyabonga ningayiyeki leyo hliziyo nabafundisi laba abangincedayo ngokungilula kwengqondo because bakhona abafundisi specific angibize ngiye kwakhe not for ukuphuza itiya just ukuthi ahlale phansi nami angibonise impilo ukuthi ungalahleki don't mix business with pleasure.
Yes.
Akusho ukuthi mase waziwa all the women is for you. You understand? Like bangilayele into ngiyibona ukuthi if ever ngalahla side nebuntu movement iphelile kwayona. So it's better people bathi hey mara wena igwala nanoma sengokuchallenge ngichallenge mara ungiphele into engiyifunayo ngipha abantu ngichallenge lapho sizozwana ngiyabonga namakhampani wonke ngingakhohle ukhansela wami sesiqale kabuhlungu ngaba ngangi-understand yabona so but ekugcineni hayi ngichaza into eyi-1 sewufonela mina kunomunye umuntu ngimcabangayo singamtrya for ama-food parcel yabona into ezinjalo because abone into engiyenzayo ngifuna ukukhohle eish bazongishaya lapho
shout out
ngiyabonga IEC laba abasebenza kakhulu ngabantu abamavoti abo-reform amavoti ya nanoma beza kimi actually bengifuna ukuyenza ilunch yabogogo ngenzela abogogo mina ngikwenza ilunch engenzela abogogo my brother I think abaningi abayicabangi lento ngenzela 54 yabogogo Yabo, understand?
That's quite a good number for me for a starter.
Yeah, so I call IEC bangitshela ukuthi hayi mina sisebenza kanjena nabantu ama-politician ngithi I'm not a politician party. Angikho lapho kuma-politics nani. Mina I'm helping people, but if ever you are doing that, let us come. And they did arrive, ngabayenza labo gogo bajabula. Yeah, I wish ngizoyiphinda futhi le yabo gogo. Angizoyiphinda yafana le yaseKatlehong yama-disabilities ngisafuna ukuyiphinda. Nga-hosta i-soccer, i-tournament for ama-under 13 and nabantu abadala. They was there for me to help me, they assist me ukuthi ngikhona ngithole ijezi, yabona ama-trophy, ama-medals, moving up and down nama-colleagues wabo. It was something man ngijabulelayo. Ngiyanibonga nani ningayeki man. Ngeke ngitshintshe ngibe i-political party. Ngiyohlala ngiwubuntu movement NPC. Manifuna ukunginceda futhi ngisase welcome noma ningazizela nina nithi asambe siyenza something ngizoza. Yeah.
Shout out to everyone that has been given a shout out today. Siyabonga ku Mr. Nxumalo today for the chance lasiphe yona ukuthi sibe nayo podcast yethu. Ningakhohlwa phela kumfollowisha ka TikTok na ka Facebook. Nimcontact for kumsita. Ningagcini ngekumrebuke kuphela nethi into lengamsiti nanaye because abantu kuyabasita. Then like and subscribe kule podcast Mindful Folk Podcast ihostwa ngibonga menzi wakamlotha. Danko.